Why does a popping sound happen when you crack your knuckles? And does it cause arthritis? It is myth. Cracking your knuckles does not cause arthritis. Let know how popping sound happened. Inside your joints, there's a fluid called synovial fluid that contains dissolved gases. When you stretch or crack your fingers, the pressure inside the joint suddenly drops. This causes the gases to form bubbles, and when these bubbles rapidly collapse, pop. That's the sound you hear. This process is completely normal and is called joint cavitation. So, does it lead to arthritis? No, there is no proven link. In fact, a study showed that a man who cracked the knuckles of one hand for 60 years did not develop arthritis in that hand compared to the other. Knuckle cracking is mostly harmless. Just don't overdo it, as it may cause slight discomfort over time.